Good morning, children. Here three cases you have to see. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. Then the solutions, they are called consistent and unique solution. That means they will be having one and only one solution. Supposing, let us take this equation, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Second equation. Here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to again 1 and b2 is equal to minus 3 here, and c1 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 4. Okay, if you take a1 upon a2 1 upon 2, b1 upon 2 1 upon minus 3 and c1 upon c2, so a1 upon is not equal to b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon. So in such cases you have only unique solution, one and only one solution, and the equations are called consistent equation. Second case, this is the second case. Supposing a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. First is inconsistent, they are called, and no solutions, and if you draw the parallel graphs, they do not intersect each other. Parallel lines. When a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now let us take 2x plus 3y minus 6 first equation, 6x plus 9y minus 10 is equal to second. Here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to 9. Okay, c1 minus 6 and c2 minus 10. Okay, now take a1 take substitute here. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 2 upon 6, b1 upon b2 3 upon 9 and c1 upon c2 minus 6 upon 10. From here we can pick up. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are. ओके, ये दोनों 2 में आते हैं, 2 3s are 2 5s are. सो यहाँ a1 अपॉन a2 1 अपॉन 3, b1 अपॉन b दोनों इक्वल है, बट इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 3 अपॉन 5. सो मतलब यार एक केस में क्या हो रही है, a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 बट नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2. तो वो केस में क्या होती है, यू हैव नो सॉल्यूशन. आपको x और y वैल्यू आएंगे ही नहीं. आपको अगर ग्राफ ड्रॉ किए तो भी वो दोनों इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होते, पैरेलल लाइंस हैं. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है याद रखने का. और नेक्स्ट केस में आपको थर्ड केस a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, मतलब सेम है ऑल. सो दे आर कंसिस्टेंट, इन्फिनिटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन, बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस रहते क्योंकि दोनों सेम इक्वेशंस हैं. सो सेम लाइन, एक ही लाइन में आते हैं दोनों इक्वेशंस. ओके, नाउ हियर टेक दिस इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, दिस इज 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. सेकेंड 6x माइनस 9y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो हियर ऑल आर a1 अपॉन a2 b1 अपॉन b2 इक्वल. सो a1 a2 b1 3 b2 9 c1 माइनस 6 एंड c. ओके, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 2 अपॉन 6 3 अपॉन 9 माइनस 2 1s are 2 3s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are, माइनस माइनस प्लस. ओके, 3 2s are here. आई थिंक दिस इक्वेशन इज माइनस 10 नहीं है. हाँ, आपको आएगी 2 3s are 12, 3 2 1 upon 6 1s are 6 upon 18. This is okay, this is 18, 6 1s are and 6 3s are. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon, now you take here 18. Okay, instead of 18 you take, so this will be 18, 6 1s are 6 3s are. Okay, 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 is equal to all a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In such case you will be having in MCQs and all, it will be asked as a 1 mark questions. So you have to remember all these things. अगर तीनों a1/a2 इज इक्वल टू कैलकुलेट करने का, आपको पूरा सॉल्यूशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, suppose it is given, whether equations will be given, so will they have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely, then just you have to calculate a1/a2, b1/b2, c1/c2, all are equal, then क्या होती है, they have only infinitely many solution. अगर e1/a2 is equal to b1/b2 not equal to c1/c2, then they don't have any solutions. If a1/a2 is not equal to b1/b2 is not equal to c1/c2, a1/a2 is not equal to b1/b2, अब c1/c2 को चेक करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. That will have unique solution. Okay, thank you.